Hello there, what's up people? It's me Jaya, watching me on the Expound. So we might have heard about this term called digital marketing everywhere, but we might not know what exactly this digital marketing says, and we might not know what all the needs and who all can do this digital marketing and what is this digital marketing is all about. So I'll give you an example. Let me explain it by giving an example such as like if you are going to a market, so to buy something from the shop. So what you will do is that in like 20 years back you will see those products advertisement in newspaper, radio or television or some stuff. So you see those advertisement and then you go to the shop. If you see that product, you will get that product and come back, right? But now since this Flipkart, Amazon, all these things came into our world, people are mostly depending upon this buying through online. So obviously people will prefer in buying online rather than going into some places and buying those things. So but what will those shopkeepers will do if nobody or no people are coming and buying the product? So this digital marketing help those shopkeepers in reaching much amount of audiences or much amount of customers. So now suppose if I'm writing a blog and I'm uploading it on website, so now until or unless people know about that blog, people won't come and read my blog, right? So I can use this digital marketing to connect my fans or connect some people who can read my blog. So this digital marketing is all about reaching. So if I am able to reach my blog to some of the specific people, then I can utilize this digital marketing. So there are several types of digital marketing. So there are more than like 7 types. I will be telling about this each in detail. So there are specific courses also where you can study this digital marketing. So I'll be telling how can you get free courses of this digital marketing at the end of the video. So keep watching. I'm sure that until the end of the video, by reaching the end of the video, I'm sure that you will be having much amount of knowledge about how to use this digital marketing and what this digital marketing is all about. Let's get into the video. In order to take this digital marketing course, it's not necessary that you have to complete your 12th standard. You need much amount of diploma or degree or much kind of qualification, and also this is not like some kind of thing where you go for the interview and you are paid monthly, and then it's nothing like that, because this is all about your own business. So if you want to build a business, if you want to reach out to people, you can reach to them by means of this digital marketing. So there are some specific courses, as I have told you. If for this course also, it's not needed that you need much kind of qualification. So there are more advantage for this digital marketing, which says that it is not like it is for one specific job. Like anybody can do it, like a housewife or a farmer, or maybe it can be a worker. Anybody can do this digital marketing, because everybody is doing for like an entrepreneur only. So if an entrepreneur wants to build their business, they can. This digital marketing is very helpful in making their business much more successful. So the next one is that you can do it without much amount of work. So much amount of work in the sense that you don't need much amount of physical thing, and you have to go there and then you have to do it, because everything can happen just by sitting at home, just with those laptops and mobile. This location also doesn't matter, because this digital marketing is mostly spreading, especially in South as well as in North India, mostly all around the world. It was already trending, like normally when this online platform came, digital marketing did not grow that much bigger, because since now everybody is using this mobile phones and internet connection, it is easier, so that this digital marketing can become more and more efficient to everybody. through this digital marketing, you can find your jobs. You can find jobs according to your passion. So when you have a passion, or when you have a passion related to something, then you can improve your skills or business through this digital marketing. So I'll give you an example. A person who called Cassie, there is a guy who is in I'll take you 2010. So in there, what happens is that this guy called Cassie becomes a father at the age of 17 itself. Yeah, such a young age, but still he has a family, so he don't know how to run his family, so he is going in search of jobs. So at this time, what happens is that he couldn't find jobs. So he actually washes utensils in restaurants. So but he is actually fond of filmography and in making films and becoming director. So that was his main goal, but he couldn't do it because he didn't have enough resources at that time. So what he did was he washed utensils so that he can get money per month, and also so that he can run his family. So what happens is that now he slightly gets out of his his comfort zone, and he actually starts shooting his regular thing. It's obvious that he cannot become a director as soon as in 2010 without having anything. Being father at age of 17 and having washing utensils in restaurants, that's he could not believe that he would be a successful person. But now if you go to YouTube and search that Cassie, then you will find that there are more than 12 million subscribers in the channel, and also each video has more than 1 million views. So because he used this kind of digital marketing, where he actually told people that he is doing this kind of job, because he started shooting videos and he started posting on YouTube that time, but that time much people were not watching that. But after with the help of this digital marketing, he actually grew his business, and he is one of the top YouTuber now. I'll tell you some of the types of this digital marketing where you can improve your business or blogs or jobs, whatever it is. First one is search engine optimization. So when you're searching in Google, suppose if I want to know about Shah Rukh Khan, so tell me about Shah Rukh Khan, then that Shah Rukh Khan is the search engine optimization. So here Shah Rukh Khan is the keyword. So if I am writing a blog related to Shah Rukh Khan, then I should be including those keywords such as Shah Rukh Khan, or there are so many keywords which is present. I have to include everything in my blog. So if I include everything, then only I will be able to rank in the beginning of the search list. So it's not necessary that I will be in the first itself. I can be in the 7th position or 8th position, because the one which is good and one which is liked by people, that will be in the beginning. And the second one is a search engine marketing. So the search engine marketing is that it is totally opposite to search engine optimization. So this actually you have to pay so that your blog can come in the beginning. But in SEO, which is search engine optimization, you don't have to pay anything. It's all about the keyword and other steps which you do. But in this search engine marketing, you have to pay the amount of money, so that even though it is not good, even though your blog is not so special, it will take it to the beginning. And also you have to pay such as Google AdWord and stuff like that. If you pay that, Google AdWord will automatically show your blog as an advertisement in other social media platforms. And the next one is influencer marketing. So there are so many number of influencers nowadays in social media. So if you wanna sell your products to people, or if you wanna let other people know your product, you can approach those influencers and you can tell them to advertise it to the audiences. So when you advertise it, the influencers audience will be able to know your product, and they will show much interest in your product. And the next one is this social media marketing. So this social media marketing can only happen if you have a good content in it. So you can actually promote your content through this social media, and it is necessary that you have to pay for these things. There are much more marketing such as content, affiliate, viral, mobile plan, etc. There are so many things. So everything has a specific course in it, so that if you are able to learn this course, or if you are able to understand what exactly this is, then it will be easy for you to do the digital marketing, and you will be able to reach much amount of audiences, and you will be able to sell your products to them. So there are many number of online platforms such as Udemy and Unacademy. There are so many things. I have given those links in the description, or many other online platform where you can learn about this digital marketing for free without money, and you can learn digital marketing and improve your business. You came to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. So if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe my channel, and tell me about this video, how you feel it, was this helpful or not. Tell me about it in my comment section, and if you want any other topic to talk about, tell me and mention it down so that I'll be able to talk it in my next video. And until the next video, keep supporting until the next video. Bye.
अपना टाइम आएगा, उठ जा अपनी राख से, टूट जा अब